Got a quick one for you today. Keebfront sent out their new switches, the Bigwigs. The interesting thing about these is they use a PBT material for the bottom housing. The switch is made up of a 13.7mm long pole palm stem, 2-stage 67-gram spring, an HDPE top housing, and of course this PBT bottom housing. It does come pre-lubed, and I think it sounds great just as it comes stock, but you can always lube on top. Another cool thing is this box. They put some time into designing these, and I give them props for that. I got a link and a discount code in the description if you're interested. Now let's see what it sounds like.